What's up? How y'all doing? Like the new digs? I'm traveling. I'm in beautiful Las Vegas right now. I don't got my monitor, guys. So as you see below here, sorry, can't share my screen today, but hopefully our friendship transcends that. Could talk it up. Could talk about a whole bunch of stuff. Crypto related, bags are bleeding, all of it. What's up, guys? I'm drinking pink shit. Hot damn. What's up? 6 people? I feel blessed. How you guys doing? It's Wednesday, crypto kickback. Got to talk it up. Mateo, he be LOLing. I like it. 10 people, what's good? I'm not in the regular spot, guys. Don't got the green screen. It's in the suite, guys. We're streaming from the suite. I'm global. What's up? What's good, bro? It's been raining all day over here, bro. In Vegas, it's like 112. like me and my girl, we drove in here, and when we got here, we're like 115, 117. What the? This ain't normal. You turn on the TV, it's like the hottest day in Vegas all year, like for a long time. I guess when it rains, it pours, y'all. How you guys doing? 10 people. I like it. Great day to be alive. It always is. Always is, guys. Another day, another dollar. Been pimping since pimping be pimping. What's up, Dab Master? Y'all better bow down to the Dab Master. 9 people. So you guys know, I started this crypto kickback as another stream to the crypto and coffee thing because people could not attend in the mornings on Sunday. So this is kind of like trying to get the rest of the people in the fold. So this turnout's been a little smaller, but it's all good. Just FYI, guys, I don't have my screen, like my double monitor, because my other monitor is really big and I haven't got like a travel size yet. So unfortunately can't share my screen, but we could, talk about whatever. I know almost all the coin prices. Throw out a coin, watch. 11 people. What's good? What's good? Let's see. I could talk about it though. Give me a second. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin be tripping, huh? Think so. 38,000? Okay. We got over like 40,000 a little bit. Dipping back down. We're still not definitively out of the range, but I like it going up more than it going down. At the end of the day, guys, I'm hearing hyperinflation all over the freaking news. I don't know if that's I don't know if they're being too dramatic because it's kind of like within the, I guess you would say, the press's purview to be dramatic, right? To get attention. But I mean, what the hell? Like, we're finally starting to see the repercussions of all this money printing, whatever it was for. I'm not here to talk about whether stimulus was needed or not. Like, that's not what I'm getting at. I'm just getting at, like, from the laws of economics. You print more money, the supply of money grows, lockdowns get taken off, the velocity of money starts picking up. Now we're starting to see price inflation. How can this, whatever crypto's doing, just look at, like, the longer term. How can that be bad for crypto? Yeah, there might be some dollar bounces along the way. Russia's de-dollarizing. El Salvador now making the US dollar and Bitcoin legal tender. Mexico talking about following suit. I don't know, guys. Sounds bullish to me. 16 people. What's up? What's good, guys? I'm in Vegas. Chilling. What's up? Chamomile tea instead of coffee in crypto. Whatever you got to do, guys. I don't even know what I'm drinking. Lychee? This lychee? She said yes. And coconut shit. What's good, guys? 15 people. I said this. Hot temperatures, so enjoy the pink stuff. I feel warm and fuzzy inside when I drink this, man. I gotta, but it's hot, man. God damn, it's hot. I wasn't ready for that. I was thinking maybe hundreds. Damn. Talked about it. I have a Lacoste hoodie with the roses like that. I saw this. I was like, hey, that's kind of cool. I was like, that's something Drake would wear. And I love Drake. Yeah, I said it, okay? Whatever. I like R&B too. I know. Remember that when Drake was like mixing the genres? Maybe you don't remember that. And everyone was hating on him about like mixing R&B and rap. I don't know. I always like that. What about you guys? You guys like Drake? He's way bigger than Degrassi now, guys. I don't know. 19 people, what's up? Just shared your live stream in TweetWee. Thanks, Franklin. What's a TweetWee? I should know that. I should know that. What up, Wolfpack? Late to the party. Or lat to the party. I don't know. Never late to the party, man. Never late to the party. You're always welcome. You guys, I know you guys live busy lives, and I just try to put on some regular, predictable crypto content for you, especially with these streams. Right now, the market's kind of doing whatever, up and down, up and down. People like talking about, oh, bull runs over, bear's coming. We will see. But guys, I keep talking about it. When you understand the long-term macroeconomic picture, it's inflationary in nature. And this is not financial advice, right? But this is kind of like how I can't share my screen today, guys. So I gotta freestyle a little bit. But like I see the economy playing out in this way, kind of like similar to the Great Depression or the 1920s, the period running up to it, right? That was like, I'm not sure it was highly inflationary, but equities gained like crazy over that time period. People were making a lot of money, going ham, dancing. What is that? What is those dresses? The shakers? I don't know. You know what I'm talking about. Everyone's going wild, loving it, making lots of money. Then the Great Depression happened. You know, whenever we have like easy monetary policy, like to the tune of trillions, what do we do? Just 50% the money supply in like last year? Now the money velocity is picking up. I think this is ultimately going to benefit crypto. Not financial advice, but it makes sense, right? Crypto's denominated in dollars. Weaker the dollar gets, the less purchase power it has, the less crypto it can buy. Sounds reasonable to me. I don't know. It's just like, you know, sometimes the charts, they got to stop tripping. What's up? Love Drake. I got pipes like him, man. But I don't do it for free, you know? And without auto-tune. Got to have auto-tune. Why can't Tezos moon? Where is it? When did you get in? Some people already mooned. To some people, they got it really low. How low did you buy it? I mean, this thing went from 30 cents all the way up to $6, came down to $3. It's still up, what, 6 times from its low, its ultimate low? So, like, yeah, Tezos, it's taking a little bit. It's taking a little bit of time. Just like EOS is taking a little bit of time. Just like Bitcoin Cash is taking a little bit of time. All old, bona fide projects that have like a real value to them, in my opinion. Same with Tezos. I mean, ask me another project that has like is like in the works of making a DAO for a state, not a state, but I guess a city, right? Reno, Nevada. And they're going to be splitting up, like, I guess you would say rent being made from like land and stuff and distributing against Reno DAO holders. That's big. Sorry, that's big. You know, North Korea making master's degrees in programming language, Michelson, which is Tezos' programming language. Just look underneath the surface. Yeah, it might be a late bloomer. Okay, we have those sometimes. Look at any of the top 25 coins last cycle. They didn't all just take off at once. Nah, staggered. Right? XRP was known to be taking off later than most of the other coins. But when it took off a lot. So just because one coin's going up doesn't mean that the other coins will never catch their time in the sun. It just means sometimes people, the consciousness of the market as a whole finds out about this project later than, well, the others. But you could drop it if you want. This ain't financial advice. I'm just a dude on the internet. How's the stream quality, guys? 26 people. What's good? What's good? Hold up. Pink stuff got me feeling weird. Sent you a drink on me worth BCH to your address in the video description. Hey, videos from my dad. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Appreciate it. And thanks to the BCH community. Always supporting the boy. I really appreciate that. Guys, today I don't got my green screen. I can't share the, well, not a green screen. I don't have my second monitor, so I can't share the screen. My bad. What's your favorite crypto to stake? I mean, I'm staking Tezos right now. I'm staking Tezos. I don't have too many staking coins. Like I'm gonna stake HBAR once it starts staking. I mean, I have EOS. You could stake that. Damn, I'm tripping. Let's see. I have more coins than that. Sometimes I can't remember them all. Damn. Yeah, EOS. I already said that shit. I like Algorand. Cosmos. Yep, you can stake Cosmos. I mean, hey man, it really depends on what you think is a good staking coin, is what you like, what you vibe with. Like I can give you what I think, right? But I pretty much on a lot of those coins I just told you I have videos on. So go to my altcoin gem playlist and you decide for yourself. Like this channel is not about pushing a coin on you. It's about presenting you the information so you can make an informed decision. Like I guess what any real adult would like, right? Like you should be able to have a non-biased party present you information and not influence your purchase decision. That's what I tried to do with that playlist. Check it out. So like, you know, I like Tezos a lot. I like EOS a lot. I like Cosmos a lot, you know? It just comes to that what you think is better if you had to pick one. With HBAR getting listed on BitTrue tomorrow, do you think it will affect HBAR price? I know little about BitTrue. Given the market, maybe a slight bump, but it won't hold off. All altcoins are trending down. Oh, okay. Hold up. Altcoins trending down. Give me 1 second. BitTrue. I guess I just look at HBAR. Let's see. So look, guys, like alts caught a bump, right? Because Bitcoin went up, touched like 40,000 or 41,000. Now we're back in the high 30s. I mean, okay, we got to give Bitcoin some credit though. It could have fell through the freaking floor already, and every altcoin would look way worse than it is now. Right now, though, I think people are starting to get like into like, I guess, depression. They think, okay, when am I going to get out of here? Oh, this time's out. This happened about 2 or 3 or 4 times already now. People are starting to lose hope. They're alts are starting to bleed with Bitcoin gradually moving up out of the danger zone. It's still in it, but it's higher in it than it was before, right? So we got to be like realistic about it. Try to separate how you feel about the situation and see like, okay, this thing's progressing in an upwards, even though it's not like extremely up. Over the longer term trend, it's slightly up. I wish I could show you guys a chart. Don't got my other screen, my bad. But HBAR, it's grinding down again. It's sitting at damn near 20 cents. What's 20 cents? Okay. So it's getting closer and closer to that $15 mark I talked about. But I'm not concerned about HBAR, you know? Like I'm not concerned about HBAR. I know so much fundamental stuff happening for HBAR that, I mean, 20 cents to 15 cents to 13 cents, like that's not going to change my thought about the asset because I believe in the asset. But what your point about altcoins trending down, I think it's because people are hitting like this depression, like, oh, like maybe it is over. Like it's not going up again. It's taking a while to go up. And they're starting to talk to themselves. And shit, like I got money in here. Like I need this money. Like they're selling off. They're realizing they can get burnt instead of just making buco bucks with Doge. I think that's what's happening right now. Sub DubDigital? Bang. What's up, man? How's it going, Chris? 25 people, what's up? We're just gonna chop it up, guys. I don't got my, what do you call it, second monitor. This is the 7th time I've talked about it, but yeah, I'm in the suite. Ain't it sweet? Feeling like a freaking OG. I don't know what that even means. I don't know. Don't listen to me. Drinking water and pink stuff, guys. What's good? How you guys? Wednesday, I think. Yeah, going. How's it going? Going good? It's hot as balls out here. It's like 112. What is it? Nah, it ain't no 87. God, guys, it was so hot. It was so hot. Car's all black. Leather seats. You know what happens when a car gets hot with leather seats? Branding me and stuff. It's rude. Get out of my face for that. Not talking to you guys. My bad. Nice, brother. Used to work in Vegas. Go to the Diamond Lounge at Caesars. If you know the representative, 40, no questions. Asked free drinks for the night in there, just tips. If you throw the representative 40. Oh, I hear you. I hear you. That's tight. That's tight. So you worked at Caesars? That's sick. That buffet be crazy. Crab legs and shit. Nom, 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 man. I'm getting hungry just thinking about it. Jeez. 25 people. What's up? Miami probably doing something similar. Hot, you mean? Yeah. Miami's hot out here. Humid too, man. It's crazy. Hey, does anyone know why Vegas is so hazy, though? I've been trying to figure that out. It's like hazy everywhere. I'm like, what the? Crazy. Tony, hi, brother. What's good? How you been? I got roses on my shirt. Like them? It's because I'm a hopeless romantic. Guys. Don't got my ring light either. I just got lampshade. We're making it work. We're making it work. 27 people. What's up? Can't breathe in this chair. Damn. Hold on. Tree pose. Swag. Let's get it. Shiba in you. You like Shiba? I got a tiny bit of Shiba. What's it doing? Is it going up? I heard it was going up. I haven't seen it though. Shiba. I can't show you the chart, man. My bad. My bad. I mean, kind of moving up. You got some volume peaking in there, sitting at, well, I can't even say the number. It's like, what, 5 zeros in the back of the decimal point, then 849. How do you say that? I don't know. Nah, it's raining in Miami right now, so it's like 75 degrees. It's cold in Miami. It's 75. That's crazy. UMB giving me 140% APY while I stake. Laughing my ass off. No one's staking it right now. UMB? Annual? You're talking annual? Oh, Umbrella Network. Down 17%. Sitting at 23 cents. Umbrella Network. Where do you buy that at? It's not the same. It's not the same, man. You guys can't see my screen. Dang. We'll get it. We'll get it going. Sunday. I gotta get a smaller screen, you know? My one I use is a big as hell. I'm not gonna bring that to Vegas. What the hell? 27 people watching and only 8 likes? Come on, Wolves, smash that like button. That'd be cool, you know? That'd be cool, guys. You come, you watch, you don't smash the like button? What? Well, come on, man. It's a law of reciprocity. You get what you give. Hope you got the fat upgrade. Lenovo. I don't want to upgrade my stuff right now, Lenovo. Don't do this to me. You got, damn, why do they always come at the worst time? I hope it don't shut me off. That sucks. Okay, what's it say? Hope you got fat upgrade, Cosmopolitan, Caesar Palace. I got pull. Oh, for real? No, I'm not at Cosmo or Caesars, but I'm at, like, I won't say that. I'm in Vegas on a strip. But that's tight, man. That's tight. It's good to know. I'm drinking pig shit. I got roses on my shirt. What's up? Talking about Drake? R&B? 23 people. Damn. See, they don't like that I don't got that screen up. Tony, you like that RSR? That PayPal. When's PayPal going to put RSR on their goddamn offering, man? Right? Like, that's their coin. What the hell? Let's see. It's 3 cents? Oh, this thing took a dump on the sidewalk. RSR was hot, though, in 2020, man. Like, I got into it. It was a high performer. It went up 4 times for me. Good thing I took profit along the way. But, yeah, it's sucking right now. It's, like, largely unknown until PayPal makes it known. That's going to be interesting. R drops ice. Ice P? What's that? But thank you for the $5, Irrelevant. Appreciate you. Thanks for supporting the channel. But what does that mean? Drops ice? You mean like diamonds? R gives you diamonds? That's cool. I like diamonds. Can you stake a lot of coins with Abra, Atomic Wallet, and Exodus Wallet? You can stake a lot of coins with Abra, Atomic Wallet, and Exodus. I haven't heard about Abra in a long time. I remember that they showed up at the first Litecoin Summit. I went to that in 2018 or 19, I forget. But in San Francisco, yeah, they showed up and they were pitching their stuff, but I have not heard of them at all pretty much since, well, hearing their pitch back then. So that's cool that they're around. Atomic Wallet, yeah, for sure you can stake stuff. They also have a coin called Atomic Wallet Coin. I think it's AWC, something like that. And Exodus, yeah, that's dope. And you guys do that like public offering that they were doing on their wallet. I don't know. I didn't read into it, but seemed interesting. Yeah, guys. There's wallets that can help you stake. If you're not technically inclined, there's a wallet that you can do now. That's something that wasn't around like back in the day in crypto. Atomic Wallet, Exodus Wallet. I think you can use Compound and stuff straight from the Ledger Live. So Ledger Nano S and X, they have an app called Ledger Live that lets you interact with the wallet. I think it like integrates directly with Compound. I haven't used it for that, but that's interesting. Coinbase app, freaking what else? Crypto.com, Celsius, BlockFi. Like there's so much retail level things that can be used now to get yield on your digital assets that either you had to have a background in coding before, computers or whatever to like participate in. This is like a golden age of crypto in my mind, or at least developing to be one. Because now it allows even more people to have access to passive income. More and more people. And you don't have to be extremely educated in computers to do it. That's awesome, guys. Because my first Bitcoin wallet was a CD. A CD. No, not like a special wallet. No, just a CD burned onto it. Encrypted on Bitcoin Core. It was like, I don't even know what to do with that thing. I had a homie to help me out. I was like, what do I do with this? He's like, do this and that and that. And then I actually wrote down like the password wrong. And then I had to go to him and we had to crack the wallet. Which is almost impossible if I didn't remember most of it. I had a lot of struggles early on in my Bitcoin journey, guys. So like now we have these products that allow you to interact in a meaningful way. Spill some pink shit, my bad. In a meaningful way in the I guess you would say the digital economy. That's amazing. Awesome. I love it. Liam Brown, do you think traditional bear market timeline and severity will be affected by the recent and incoming influx of corporate institutional investors? Oh, you're saying like because we have more institutional participation now in this cycle, do you think the bear market will be as severe and last as long? Because there'll be more money in the space? I mean, yeah. I mean, when I say severe, if I'm talking like something greater than a 50% crash, yeah, I do believe that. Will it be somewhat muted? That's possible, because like if you look at Bitcoin, its main job it was the first digital asset, and its main job right now it's serving as the store of value. I don't want to get into it, guys. Like just that's the narrative right now. Store of value. People seem to go into it. It maintains the most of money in crypto. It's the least volatile, even though it's very volatile. It's the least volatile. So it's holding the majority of money. It's the digital capital. Okay. As cycles have gone on, those dips have gotten less and less, but they're still freaking intense. Like, so yeah, it might be muted somewhat, but don't be expecting a 20% correction and that's the bear market. I don't think we're there yet. The most of the normal people who are into this, they're not in here yet. I'm expecting that once everyone's in, then like Bitcoin's going to become very stable. And we're not going to have these 60, 70% drawdowns. Like that's going to be a thing of the past. That's something when the market cap is low, the market's very vulnerable to that. When the market cap is huge and sucked in most of the world's value, then well, where's it really going to go? People aren't going to be pulling their money out of crypto like that, especially if the fiat dollar system's gone. The day fiat's done or everyone's faith and confidence in fiat is gone, that is the day the Bitcoin becomes a real store of value. Because who's going to sell into the dollar? The dollar's depreciating like crazy. It is the world reserve currency, guys, like it or not. It is the thing that everything's denominated into. And it used to be the only commodity that gave you access to oil. Now we got competitors. Competitors may be backing their dollars with, well, maybe not faith of the U.S. government, but gold. They might back it with Bitcoin. Whoa. Times are changing, huh? 26 people, what's up? How you guys been? How's the week? How's the fam? Chilling? I'm working on vacation, but I don't feel like work. What's good, y'all? How's it going? Thoughts on Bitcoin Satoshi Vision? See, Ryan, I don't know too much about it, right? Like, to me, it's a Bitcoin fork, but I'm going to like change like the main narrative on that. People say it's just a Bitcoin fork, it's useless. Well, I don't feel like that. As long as it's a functioning product that has believers, and it does have believers, let's be real. As long as the network is growing, there's a section of people who believe in the network and use the network and transact value on the network. I think Bitcoin Satoshi Vision could have value. I think Bitcoin Diamond could have value. I think Bitcoin Cash could have value. It's all about the growth of the network, not about what you think about it. If people adopt it, look at Doge. Hey, you can say whatever you want about Doge. Doge got a whole bunch of believers now that like it more than Bitcoin. That's put Doge on all the major exchanges, a bunch of cross-chain dexes. We got Doge hodlers like you can't believe because people got filthy rich off it. It's all about the network effect at the end of the day. That's why this channel, I'm not going to sit here and say, oh, this is bad, this is good, this is bad. What the hell do I know? What do you know? The market will tell you what they want. The market likes anything with Bitcoin in the name. Seems like it. So that's why I don't count out any Bitcoin forks. And in fact, people just lump Bitcoin forks all in together like they're all equal. They lump Bitcoin Cash with Bitcoin Satoshi Vision with Bitcoin Diamond. So everyone's so freaking confused about the Bitcoin forks. They're like, whatever, I'll throw some money at it. That's what happens every cycle. No one knows what the hell the difference is, and they just buy it and they go up, and it just becomes this game. Right? Oh, I made money. And that's why you have that blow off top. People stop caring so much about their investments. You stop caring them so much about the fundamentals because the rhyme and reason starts to go out the window. We saw it with Doge briefly. In 2017, we saw every coin going off like Doge for a couple months. It got irrational as hell. People are saying this is new paradigm. Bitcoin's going to kill the dollar. Hyperinflation is now. Then it came down. Like the market has a way of tricking people, tricking you, right? To think that what's happening is always going to happen. Bitcoin's down, it's going to stay down forever. Bitcoin's up, it's going to stay up forever. That's why I like to believe in mean reversion. Everything comes back to the average because that's eventually what happens. You dig? $5. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Where's the best place to earn passive Bitcoin? Okay, so there's two places you can get it essentially, right? Centralized finance, which is like a Coinbase, which is like a Binance where you could stake on the exchange, which is like Celsius Network, which is a centralized yield platform, BlockFi, right? So you got to decide what you like, right? Because in crypto, there's a bunch of people who don't believe in centralized anything. They don't want nothing to do with it, even if they're offering bigger yields. Hey, as far as I'm concerned, I think there's risk in both centralized options and decentralized options because no one likes to talk about it. But let's be real, guys. The main risk in decentralized finance solutions is like code risk, is vault risk, like getting hacked. That happens all the time. And a lot of these things don't have, security solutions on the DeFi. I think you could buy policy now. I forgot what service offers that. But just to be safe, some people buy DeFi insurance for the money locked up because that is a real thing. People get hacked all the time. You see multiple of them already occur. But on the flip side, counterparty risk is, counterparty risk would be the other negative for a centralized solution. Because, they can't get hacked. There's more control from another entity on it. But then are they rehypothecating your Bitcoin? Meaning, are they lending it out to institutions with no collateral? Are they lending it out, the same Bitcoin out to multiple? The same thing in the banking system, right? What else? Yeah, there's a whole bunch of risk involved with that too. I personally use Celsius. It's a centralized one. Reason being is, they're banging crazy yields for me for stable coins and stuff. But on top of that, they're coming out with an insurance solution. And I mainly use it to get a yield on stablecoin, or at least that's what I plan to do. largely going into the future. And okay, so here's the thing though. Say that like they messed up, they got hacked, whatever. You lost your stuff on a centralized exchange, DeFi solution or finance solution. Okay, you have this insurance policy. You know they're going to pay you back, especially if you're just taking like stable coins or something in there. Like, just go to somewhere that offers an insurance policy. I just stress that if you're have a lot of money in it. If you don't have a lot of money, it becomes immaterial, you know. But I think I named off a lot. I mean, then go look at the DeFi page on CoinMarketCap, Compound, Aave, Yearn, right? Like all that stuff. Long and winded, I know. Just trying to give the extra effort, guys. Extra effort. Pink stuff, water. I gotta stay hydrated, man. It's like 112 degrees out here. My lips be chapping up. What's up with that? 34 people, what's up? How you been? I got that. My bad. Cake, Matic, Bunny are my favorite degen staking platforms. And then, yeah, then there's freaking Binance Smart Chain over there that Cake. I mean, Matic has a lot of staking stuff too. Bunny, what else? Yeah, then there is Unilend Finance. You can stake almost every ERC20 token onto that thing. That's cool. There's a whole bunch of them, man. Just a whole bunch of them. It's crazy. Crazy. What's up, Dad Master? I stake Tezos, Litecoin. You stake Litecoin? Litecoin is POW, right? You stake it on like something like a service, I guess. XLM, 88, Algo, Bitcoin. Yeah, you must do that. Komodo, VeChain. Yeah, I think, can you stake Komodo? Wow. See, there's stuff that I don't even know you can stake. It's crazy. Some coins start with POW, go POS. Right? Like, we're getting more and more options to stake things nowadays, which is really cool. Really cool, guys. Oh, I gotta take a break. Breathing hard and stuff. What the hell? My dentist told me to stop chewing ice. I said, shut up. What's good, guys? Don't get spooked by Phantom when it pops. Funny story about Phantom, dude. Like, I saw Phantom in 2020 and it was paying like 1,000%. And I was like, what the? I just like went down like and saw what was the highest returning altcoin at the time, 1,000%. And they operate on something called the Opera Chain, I think. And I put my stuff into the Opera Chain and it took me like a week to get it out. I thought I got scammed. Bro. And I pulled it out and like I was like, never again. Thought the thing was a scam. 2021 comes around, boom. And I was like, holy shit. Like that thing went high as hell. Crazy. So like, that's the thing. Everything looks like a scam until it isn't. At some point, even Bitcoin probably looked like a scam. That's why people freaking didn't care about their hard drive and stuff. Exponential growth is very, very, I guess you would say, you can't notice it until it occurs. Takes off. Bang. Oh, there it is. Yeah, you could jump in afterwards, but the maximum profit is always at the bottom. That's when no one's paying attention. So now you guys know next time for next cycle. Easy E, straight out of Compton. Hey, that was a good movie. I saw it like 4 times in the theater. Why? I don't know. Okay. Now I think about it, it's kind of weird. 31 people, what's up? I gotta stop chewing this ice. I can't stop. So cool. OG equals original gangster. Oh yeah, I know. I just don't know why I said I was an OG. It was out of context. I be saying some weird shit, man. What up, yo? Only my wife's account, falsely raising your female viewer percent. Glad to be here. Thanks as usual. Thank you. Yeah, I made a comment last stream. I got like 3% female viewership, which is cool. I just wonder why. Why? What should I do? You guys got ideas? Let me know. Dab Master, you freaking, oh my God, what a legend. Thank you very much. Never asked for your money. Doesn't mean I don't appreciate it. $20. Enjoy Vegas, man. That's a real one. Thank you very much. 31 people. What's up? I can't show you my screen today. We gotta look at the suite. Oh, what do you want me to do, man? What do you want me to do? It's 112. That has nothing to do with this. I'm drinking pink stuff. Cut me a break. Going for the Kramer look. You like that? Rosen. Scratch and sniff, man. Ugh. Just kidding. Kramer? Nah, if I was going Kramer look, I'd have to look like this. You know what I'm saying? Kramer don't have these luscious locks. No. Good. Yes, nice. I like good and nice. 35 minutes. I like it. I like it. I'm warming up, guys. I'm warming up. We gotta do some yoga. Let's get right. Get loose. Okay, cool. Guys, the car seat damn near branded me. Scarring shit. Can you look at AMP, bro? I can't show my screen today. I don't have my other monitor. My bad. But I guess I could tell you what I think. It's not the same thing. Today we're flying with low capacity on the technical side. It's 10 cents. It's going up as high as hell. I mean, that's good for AMP. We looked at it before last stream, and it started pumping off this year. It's good for AMP. I like it. Are you in it already? It matters. Are you thinking about buying it? It's higher than it's ever been. You know what I'm going to say. You guys should know me by now. You know what I'm going to say. It's a cash grab, if anything, if you're getting into it right now. You want to get in things before, it starts making a lot of noise. But not financial advice. Y'all are adults. Cheers. Smashing it up. DC Morph in the house. I like it. 34 people. What's good? How's your week going? Your boss on some bullshit? Bosses be on bullshit, man. It's like, hey, y'all, can you stay late? Like, no, I can't stay late. What kind of stupid question is that? No, I can't stay late, man. What the? I feel you. Crypto, the savior of all. Am I the people's champ? Soggy Chip. I think you could swing RabBNB to UMB on PancakeSwap. Is Umbrella Network on Pancake? Is it on Binance? I don't know. So many freaking coins, guys. I can't even remember. I picked up a ton around 17 cents. Nice. Beast. Airdrops on ICE. Oh, okay. I know what you're talking about. Okay, so I pulled out a tweet. You guys look at my Twitter. I tweeted out this thing about airdrop. It's an ICON airdrop. So I haven't read into it. I just saw it today. I got to find out what we got to do. But if you have ICON, apparently they're making an EVM. I'm tripping. Hold up. Okay. They're making an EVM compatible token. There's more to it than that. But I'm sure I'll make a video on it. and it's basically going to interact with Ethereum. So the EVM is Ethereum virtual machine. Okay, so that's basically allowing the integration between ICON, Ethereum, and then also something to do with being the dApp layer or the application layer for ICON. They're airdropping, so 1-to-1. So for every ICON that you have, they're going to airdrop you one of these new tokens called ICE. How do you partake in that? Got to look at the details. I don't even know myself yet. They haven't even ironed out a date as to when they're going to take a snapshot. But since they haven't made a date, pretty sure that it's still a running timeline. You still have time to get in. They have a Telegram group, so you guys can verify that. But hey, there's a lot of ways to make money in crypto. Passive income, capital gains, airdrops. Freaking airdrops. I love airdrops, man. There's this thing now that blockchain is giving you money for free. Spark for XRP, that was tight. Or that will be tight. Icon's doing this. Hey, anyone who wants to give me crypto for free, I need that. Hey, Dub, we out here mining Mining this dip / correction / capitulation. Greetings from South Africa. Any love for us, HBAR? Massive. Hey, I like that. Do your thing. Mine away. Mine away. I'm liquidity mining right now. Collecting those wasps. That's cool, man. Yeah, we just looked at HBAR. Sorry, today I'm running. I don't got my other monitor. I can't show you the HBAR price. I did look at it though. I think it's like 20 cents. It's drifting down. It could hit 15 cents. But you know, at the grand scheme of things, what does that matter? 15 to 20 cents doesn't change the fact that HBAR is partnered with Google, is partnered with LG, is partnered with Denton's, is partnered with a Boeing. You know what I mean? Like at the end of the day, if you understand what your asset's all about, and that's why I stretch to have conviction in your asset, these are marginal, if not meaningless, price like fluctuations. The only reason they become meaningful is if you're over leveraged, if you use money you shouldn't have put in. That's when you start sweating, trying to make the world play out on your timeline. You know, don't do that. It's easier, just don't do it. It's cool. When you get more money that you can put in the market to do it, it's better than freaking out, selling at a loss. Then you know what I'm saying? A lot of investing is just risk mitigation, guys. Like everyone wants to think, oh, I got to be on it. I got to get the next Ethereum. No, the money goes to those that are able to buy low, sell high, capture the capital gains, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. Doesn't go to the smartest and the most technically inclined. Yeah, every cycle there are outperformers. But most people make money when they just sell at a profit, rinse, repeat, sell at a profit, rinse, repeat, or hold the length of the trend. Yeah, but I don't have anything more for HBAR, man. Like, I don't think we even need to. If there's any more good news coming out of HBAR, they still have a shitload of good news. You know? I don't know. 34 people, what's up? Pink drink break, guys. I am so comfortable with who I am. I'm drinking pink drink, rose shirt. It's rose, guys. Rose. What? Okay, so freaking, what's his name? The dude that raps and shit. Freaking Rick Ross could do that. Talk about rose and all that. He's cool. What's up? I've been using Aber for years. Yeah, I know, but like, I don't know. I think they're not huge in. Are they huge in America? Are they? Damn. I downloaded the app one time. They just fell off my radar then. I mean, hey, happens to the best of them. The Behold and DGB. Yeah. I'm holding the same DGB I had from 3 years ago. I bought DGB in 2018. Yeah, it's 3 years. It's 3 years. Math check, guys. Yeah. I'm still holding the same DGB I bought 3 years ago. Haven't sold one bit of it. Because, I mean, DGB at 15 cents ain't nothing to me. DGB at 5 cents ain't nothing to me. I want the big payday on DGB. And you know, and I bought it with profit, so I don't care. That's the beauty about taking your initial investment out. But I bought that with profits I never would have had, you know? Profits that I harvested, took my initial capital out, and then bought it with. See, you got to have a level of detachment on your assets, guys. Like, be very clear of how you got your money. Was this money that you had to work and toil for and put in? Or is it money that you profited off another crypto that just came into your life? Right? Just measure how you're doing based on how much capital you've invested. Much like a business. A business is turning profit when it's covering its initial capital and expenses. You are a business. If you're covering in your initial capital and your expenses, you're doing okay. You know, like it's like when you're losing money that was just portfolio balance and you're treating it like a fail for you. No, that's just the name of the game. Assets go up and down. You know, DGB goes up and down. But I'll tell you what, DGB is extremely volatile. Wow, what a drop on DGB. I wish I could show you guys right now. That's crazy. I'll tell you what, every action has equal and opposite reaction. 36 people, what's up? How you guys doing? I'm in a spot. Drake's coming through. We're going to record a song real quick. What? I know him from Degrassi, guys. We go way back. I'm dropping pink drink. What's up? I staked on Tezos on Ledger for 2 months and never got rewards. Moved it back to Exodus and no problem. Not big on Ledger anymore for staking. Really, Lane Brown? Because I actually have been staking my Tezos on Ledger for a year. And I get it every 3 days. Where do we go from here? We got different preferences. It seems to work for me. I stake my dad's stuff on there too. So, not sure. Maybe like a upgrade. You have to update the app or something. Sometimes you gotta do that. 37 people. What's up? Man, this chair make me breathe like shallow and stuff. What the heck? Jesus. Okay. It's nice though. It's nice. I like it. And yeah, its annual rate. Daily yield is 0.361% right now. I mean, damn, that's not bad. It's like 1/3%. That's basically that's great. That's more than JP Morgan pays in a year for an average account. That's sad when you really think about it. In crypto, you can get yield in a day that a brick and mortar bank pays it. No, you can get more yield in a day from a DeFi platform or a staking mechanism that JP Morgan pays your savings account per year, depending on the total, of course. But you know what I'm saying? Damn, it really gives you some insight to show you how much the banking sector has siphoned off your value in your savings rate, right? They take a cut, you get the difference. Your difference is minimal, small, minute. How much were they taking from you? Makes you think, huh? JP Morgan's here to, JP Morgan's all about it. Yeah. They want to help you. No, I don't know. I don't know about all that. We talked about it. VIP services represented as Caesar. I quit because I checked Eve the rapper into the wrong room. True story. Later Cosmopolitan, a whole other story. LOL. Damn, they fired you off that? Eve? She's passed, man. That's all news. They fired you over her? That's messed up. I'm gonna run over to Caesar real quick. Hey, be humble, set. Bah, bah. Be gone. The customer's always right. Bah. I'm gonna walk out of there. You like that? I got you. No problem. Sup, double lub. I love it, man. I love when you go the extra mile. That's makes me feel good. You're in Vegas? Yeah, I'm in Vegas. It's hot as hell out here, man. What is going on? I wasn't even in Death Valley yet. We were right before Death Valley. It was hitting 115. And I was like, my car is going to melt. Like, we're not even in Death Valley yet. What is Death Valley going to be, like 130? That you could cook a pot roast out there. Like, I'm pretty sure if I let a piece of meat out there, it would get somewhat cooked. Damn, I was scared for my tires. Can tires melt? Right? I'm surprised, like, my water bottles I left in the car accidentally, they didn't melt. That's wild. 37 people, it's good. As BTC becomes more scarce and expensive on exchanges, do you think it might be harder for alts to outperform Bitcoin? Yeah, right. I mean, look, I don't have my charts up today. I don't have my second monitor, my bad. I have to talk it, right? This is a little different. But basically, if you guys remember the Bitcoin dominance chart I show you, the overall trend has been down on the Bitcoin dominance chart. So that indicates to me, like, think of what Bitcoin is. It's the sponge that sucks out money from the traditional sector into the new economy, into the digital economy. When you think of it like that, like, Bitcoin had like 98% of all the money in crypto for like a long time, like 4 years. Then we had the first huge dip down. 60% of that money flowed into altcoins. Then it rose up, never hitting anywhere close to its previous high in 2016, like maybe half the way. Now we're dropping down again, and we're damn near close to the last all-time low set in 2017 or 18 at 36%. That's indicating to me we have a lower high, and we're falling down to the last all-time low. Indicates to me it wants to go lower than the last one at 36%. Whenever the Bitcoin dominance goes down, that means more and more money flows into altcoins. That shows me that Bitcoin is like that sponge that sucked the money out of the traditional economy, brought it into the new digital economy, and now it's getting squeezed and the liquidity is flowing down into all these levels, all these applications, all these protocols that are necessary to make this economy, the digital economy, what it needs to be to really service the population. Right? Bitcoin was the first mover, large bulk of the money in there, store of value. People keep it in there to be an inflation hedge. But after that, like, we need more than just gold, you know? And that's why I think the altcoin sector is a huge, huge advantage. It's like alpha in crypto, man. Like, it's the growth, right? I mean, if the economy, the traditional economy, just stayed stuck on gold forever, we'd never have currency. If we didn't have currency, we couldn't do intercontinental exchange, right? Because we'd have to be shipping gold back and forth like pirates. People would steal it. Like, there's reasons economies evolve past points. You know, same with Bitcoin. It's not exactly like cheap to use. It's not exactly fast to confirm. How are you going to buy, like, at least BTC? BCH, I know you guys, but I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about BTC. Like, it's not exactly extremely easy to use right now. That's why they're developing Lightning Network. That's why we got, like, forks of it. Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, trying to, like, fill in the weaknesses left by Bitcoin because it's cumbersome, slow, but very secure digital gold. So all I'm saying is, yes, Bitcoin will rise in value, but I think the altcoin sector is going to rise value in bull runs more because it's doing things that Bitcoin doesn't do. These are weaknesses identified in the economy already that need to be fixed. And markets do one thing. They give fair market value and place value on things that solve people's problems, solve life issues, sticking points, pain points. That's what drives value in markets. Some of these alts do that. Bitcoin Maxi, they're happy with their gains and they don't want to lose it. They don't want to change nothing. They want the status quo to be what it is. Well, that's a guaranteed way to stay behind the curve. Just saying. All up in the sweet, guys. How you like it? I'm scared to go outside. It's hot as hell. I need a tan. I need a haircut. Got scratch sniff roses on my shirt. Delicious. I like it. What's good, guys? I think ecosystem is extremely important. Oracles, integration, partnership, and validators. Yeah, I mean, there's different, what do you call it, sectors? I don't know. This thing's so damn new, we don't even have really terms for it. 41 people, what's up? Thanks for joining me. But yeah, there's some things we know, right? Like oracles are valuable. Like I don't know what you call it, like fast transaction coins are needed because obviously Bitcoin didn't go in that direction. Like platform coins, ecosystems like that offer utility, like Ethereum, ADA, right? Interoperable coins, Cosmos, WAN chain, ICON. There's all these like small sectors, platforms that offer derivative like exchanges, like synthetic assets, like synthetic gold on SNX. You can make synthetic stocks, ownership in companies that trace price action, SNX. There's one on EOS called Organics, derivative stuff. Then we got stable coins. Like, it's all things that are mimicking traditional products, but just being built in a decentralized way in the decentralized economy. They're all going to be useful, right? Because we don't just need gold, right? We just don't need oil, which is Ethereum, right? We need it all because we're an advanced civilization at this point. We're not just doing the pirate thing. We're not running around like that. Do you guys know the background behind why like currency came to be. I forget the timeline, but I think it's like way back, like in Europe or something, where banking was like really pioneered, because people used to travel with their wealth, with all their net worth on them, and everyone knew it. And that's why it was so dangerous to travel like through the forest and stuff, because you're really going horse and carriage route. And it doesn't take a genius for a thief to sit out in the woods and like rob you and kill you and take your stuff, and then you're poor like overnight like that. That's the whole thing with like a not a debt based but an asset backed economy. It's pretty much like what you have on you, the commodity of value at the time. That's your net worth. You better be able to secure it. And gold was heavy at some points, cumbersome. Security wasn't great on it. Thieves were jacking people left and right. So instead of risking themselves going through that forest, maybe getting killed, maybe becoming poor overnight, I think it was a Knights Templar. Yeah, Knights Templar said, hey, we got stations all over the world with gold depositories. Or not over the world, but whatever. You know what I'm saying. We got one where you're coming from, and we got one where you're going to. Why don't you deposit your gold with us? We'll write you a receipt, redeemable in gold equivalent at the destination you're going to. Therefore, you can like get there safe, and you don't have to risk your gold getting stolen. Everyone loved that. They did it all the time. And all of a sudden, it got so convenient to just trade these gold slips that represented gold. People like never just went and redeemed it. And then banks happened. And then like, no one ever wanted to withdraw their gold. They just wanted to claim on it. The traditional banking system came in effect after that. And then all of a sudden, like even like what, the 1960s, we had like silver in our actual coinage. And that got cut. The gold standard got cut. Then there was no like precious metal in any of it. It was all just representations. But the problem with representations, when they don't represent anything, their inherent value is really worthless. So you see how this whole thing got distorted over time. Like people thought the banks were keeping their gold safe. Do you know how many people think that the dollar is still backed by a meaningful amount of gold? That hasn't been the case for like freaking 60 years? I don't know. I might have got my math wrong. Probably did. Know your economic history, guys, because it really makes a lot of freaking sense when you understand how we got to where we are in the world. It helps you understand the problems in the world. And sometimes you're able to see like, oh, they're trying to repeat something that didn't work before. Interesting though, right? Did I nerd out on you guys? You guys okay? Looking bored. 38 people. What's up? I lost my spot, guys. I lost my spot. Let's see. I got a new treat for you, Dub. Now it's quiet right now. Solar Coin and Carbon Swap. Both are eco coins, which are doubtless going to become pretty fashionable soon, thanks to Elon Muskrat. Okay, Solar Coin and Carbon Swap. I can't throw it up on the thing. I don't have my second monitor. I'll check it out for sure, guys. Pull up CoinMarketCap. You can take a look at it. Also come through on Sunday. I'll have everything set up. My bad though, man. Interesting though. Yeah, I mean, hey, that's the buzzword now, man. Especially people who don't, I guess, aren't involved in crypto. Like they make a god out of a man. They pick someone. Oh, Elon said it. He must be right. Like, I'll defend him till the end. It's like, hey, man, like Bitcoin mining isn't just dirty. But even if it was just Bitcoin, even if all the Bitcoin mining was dirty, okay, then let's call it what it is. I'm pretty sure all the fiat money that was printed took paper, which is made from trees. That's pollution, right? And to cut down those big trees in the rainforest, that takes a lot of oil, right? Yes. Okay. How about electricity? Most electricity is made by oil and fossil fuel still, right? I'm pretty sure we use a lot of electricity. What about the production of electricity instead of Bitcoin using it? Let's call everything out then. If we're going to go down that route, let's just be consistent. Hey, so now everyone's got in their mind solar, renewable energy stuff. That's interesting too, because look how it's starting to come all the way back around, right to Tesla's use case. He throws something out. Bitcoin's dirty. Dirty is bad. Bitcoin bad, dirty bad. Electricity good. Electricity renewable. Electricity Tesla. Is this just a promo? I don't know. Oh yeah, guys, come on. These dudes, you think they're just like humanitarians? You think they just want everything to go good with the world? Some of them do, but not all of them. Let's not be naive. While BTC corrects investing in projects, when nice dip, IW a good move. I believe, bro, check out Zoo token. This is one can really explode. All animal meme tokens will be on their exchange, farming, etc. Yeah, man, I've been in Zoo since it started like a month or two ago. Yeah, I know about Zoo. I have it on my altcoin playlist. Check it out. I think it's really low right now. I think it's like last time I checked, 26 cents. Is it lower? I'm interested. But yeah, I'm mining it, man. Yeah, hopefully Zoo does well. It's just that WanChain of itself is a small cap. Then all the tokens built inside of WanChain, they're even smaller cap. So like I think the next influx for that whole ecosystem's coins will be after the next trickle down effect. But the blow off top is the time when small caps really start to shine, because you know it needs to be like real exuberance, like real like irrational exuberance for small caps to do well. That point, new people to crypto, they've made some significant money. They think it's easy because at a certain point, guys, in the bull run, as long as this one is anything different than the last ones I've seen, these things just go freaking nuts. They go freaking vertical. Not like what we've been seeing. I'm talking like, you know what Matic did, Hex is doing, Ethereum Classic kind of did. I'm talking about across the board. Yeah, I'm still standing by it. Why? We really haven't seen anything different over the long-term trend. Well, you could say this time's different, whatever. Like, okay, it hasn't been different up to this point. It seems like the probability of it being different is much less likely than it being the same, like it's been the last 10 years. But hey, sometimes there's variation. You know, like people are looking at like, wasn't made the month that it took off last cycle. This means that this is a dud. I mean, no, I mean, it could just be a little later. You guys ever think of that? It don't gotta be freaking rocket science all the time, guys. Like sometimes, you know, it just takes some time. I honestly believe that like they're market makers. There's big whales, a lot of money in this. It's unregulated. Come on, guys. There's people who influence this stuff. But in my mind, it's like it looks different a little bit every single time. Throw people off just a little bit, right? Get them doubtful. Get them like hopeless, like thinking like it's not gonna happen for them. And then bang. You think 2 months in crypto, this thing can't turn around and go higher than you ever thought in your life? It can. I've seen it, and a lot of people in the chat have seen it. That's not financial advice, y'all. Y'all are adults. 41 people. What's good? Fave Pickle. What are you talking about? I mean, Pickle? Man, I'm confused as hell. Today's FOMC address was frankly dull as dishwater. They kept their cards close to their chest. In the end, it was all the economy is doing great. Everything is going to plan, etc. So, same old, same old. Yeah, they're not ready. They're not ready. I mean, the Fed's very smart. The Fed's playing mind games with the market to make the market do things at the Fed. Like, look, the Fed doesn't need to like print and print and print and print. They could just float out certain words at certain times to make people think inflation's coming. All they got to do is a quick slip of the like word, change of the word. Say something like be a little aggressive in the meetings, like say stuff like certain trigger points and Wall Street will react. A lot of this talk they do is either buying time or making the market react in a way. This is the whole point behind behavioral economics. I would say Keynesianism is much closer to behavioral economics than Austrian economics is. And the Fed is Keynesian. right? The whole thing of like you can stimulate the market, the economy in certain ways by doing stuff, inserting capital in certain places. That's kind of like making institutions react in a certain way, while behavioral economics is making the populace react in a way. So, like, yeah, man, they're not ready. They're buying time. But I keep hearing this hyperinflation word being flung around CNBC, or whatever, Bloomberg and all that stuff. And maybe I don't know. I don't know. They just like stay quiet for long periods of time and then they say stuff. They obviously have a motive. They have a motive. They're not filling us in on it. How's the economy doing great? How is the economy doing great? First time unemployment numbers are jumping off the chart every freaking month. Yeah, the economy's open back up, but I don't know if you guys know, 50% of small businesses went out of business. There's only half of them left. Out of every two of them, one went out of business. How was that good? Amazon became like what? The 6th largest employer in the United States recently? Small businesses? No. Big businesses? Yes. That's the whole thesis around cronyism. I forgot the technical word for it, but it's basically cronyism. Government working with big businesses. Big businesses giving politicians big paydays. Laws get passed to make people do business with these companies. More money goes to the politicians. Get it? That's what happens. A little conspiratorial? I don't know, guys. I don't know. Let's take a look at Tartessi since we all just thinking back. Oh, I can't look at my screen today, man. I'm in Vegas right now. Man. One needs simply to understand how big the effect is problem solving for current moment. Keep an eye on SafeMoon, guys. What is SafeMoon doing? What does SafeMoon do? I wish you guys could see this right now. I'm just going to check. It got wrecked, right? It had to get wrecked. That thing was high as hell. Okay. Okay, you guys can't see it. It doesn't look completely horrible. Right? Like, I'm sure people held it all the way down. Must have. We'll see. SafeMoon. There's too many safe coins now. Making me sketched out. APY Finance also. Dope. Hey guys, Ben, 34 people. What's up? Chilling, man. Should play some Frank Sinatra. Luck be a lady. Is that Frank? My girl's all annoyed. I've been singing that since we got into Vegas. Huh. I love it. Feel lucky and shit. What's up, guys? 34 people. Okay, I talked about it. Oh my God. I lost my spot. I got a lot of comments. I gotta pick it up. 35 people, an hour in. Okay. I need Pundy X to get its game together. Missed selling the top range. Happens. I missed Ethereum Classic. I got in that thing at $6. Ran up to like 120. I can't believe it. But it takes like 100. It takes like 100 confirmations to show up on the exchange. I missed that top, man. I was like, God damn it. So, happens. You're going to be all right. Always appreciate your time and wisdom, Dub. I'm going to smoke some super lemon haze for us. Matt. Spark it up. Dab Master. Don't let him outdo you. I see you. Come on, man. What are you doing? What's going on with Icon? Fire. Is it popping? Let's see. Hold up. Nah. Womp. It's not popping. But yeah, so Icon, they're obviously going to be doing like a airdrop for a new token that's compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine called ICE. I talked about it earlier. I'll timestamp. But yeah, that's dope. I mean, I just look at airdrops like free money, man. I gotta pay what, 0 money if I have the coin already to get a 1-to-1 airdrop, right? That's similar to freaking the XRP airdrop. That's dope. So hey, ICON is a blockchain I think is, they don't do a lot of pub. Kind of quiet. They build in silence, but they're doing a lot of things in South Korea. So I'm open to anyone who wants to give me any airdrop. I like it. Free money, man. It's literally free. Do you guys know if you get a free position in a coin, that's essentially an infinite return? Like every time it goes up, it's just infinite. Like, because when you're managing a portfolio, guys, and you're managing like your money, just think in terms of your initial capital invested and your returns on that, like percentage wise, like 1,000 in, made 100x. Now you got $100,000, right? Everything beyond the 1,000 is money in the bank. But what if you didn't invest any money? What if you got airdropped at a 1-to-1 ratio for a coin that you held? You essentially got that position for free. So whatever crazy return you got, even if at 100x, it's infinitely greater than if you invested money. Free positions are the shit. I'm sorry. 42 people, what's up? When you break it down like that, guys, and you really put it down to real numbers, infinite returns, it don't get much better, So anyone who's getting Spark, anyone who's getting ICE, anyone who got any airdrop, anyone who got the fork from Bitcoin to Bitcoin Cash, if it's a free position, if someone gave you some crypto, it's free, that's infinite returns. That's the best returns possible on earth. 42 people, what's good? I stake ZIL for 14%. Oh yeah, ZIL. ZIL has a 14% return. I think Atomic Wallet has 20%. All these wallets also have their own coins, right? KuCoin has one. I don't know if you stake it. But yeah, ZIL's a good one, man. ZIL's hot. I got a great feeling about FTM. The Gemini twins literally passed over 25 smart contract platforms when choosing it. Phantom will be the only other one they support so far, not random. Yeah, so I did some digging on Phantom back in the day, 2020, and they were doing a lot of work with, I think, Afghanistan doing like smart cities, and like the Gulf doing smart city stuff. That whole part of the world, the Gulf region, they're trying to be like the smart city central, right? I think they were the first ones. I won't say they, but yeah, like it was tight. Phantom working with them to try to get that going. Sounded cool. I get it. I just kind of like lost faith in it because I had a bad experience. That's probably wrong of me to do, but shit happens, man. Chew that ice. Heard that? Ow. Ow. Just kidding. I'm fine. The pink stuff makes it feel better. Besides Ethereum. We talked about that. TGB sound like ultimate sleeper. Device working hard in the background. I'm guessing like dev or something like that. Yeah, I think it's a sleeper, but also like DGB community, you guys give all your tech away. So like, like that's part of it. I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm just saying you guys are trying to be truly to the ethos, decentralized, open source. So when you have stuff like that, guys, like the growth is a little slower when you don't have like all this marketing, you don't have all this IP. Like, yeah, of course, like people just come around and take your shit. But at the end of the day, like I think eDGB is going to demonstrate that like it has been decentralized. It is like secure and not like a single point failure when it comes to like mining and stuff because of the 5 mining algorithms. And I've noticed that like countries are looking to adopt public blockchains that have showed sufficient decentralization, right? DGB is still open for that. While the other ones who seem to be a little more centralized and stuff, they're being slotted for more corporations and businesses because the centralization allows them to change things, secure funds, roll things back if malicious stuff was done. That's very useful to a business who needs that type of flexibility. But when it comes to public, when it comes to like almost being a public utility or a public pay rail, it can't be centralized like to be skewed on one side. It has to be fully decentralized, accessible, not, I guess, biased in any way, shape, or form. Right, guys? Like, just, it's going to evolve. There's going to be public blockchains. There's going to be private blockchains. Private blockchains are going to connect to public ones. It's going to flow like water. There's going to be layers on top so corporations can like aggregate, like the Lightning Network, aggregate all their transactions at once, then close it every day, settle in a single transaction. There's going to be people who want that one layer peer-to-peer thing like Bitcoin Cash instead. The different strokes for different folks. It's a low-key, like, I won't say that, but it's like somewhat closed-minded to think that one solution can service the entire world, when it's entirely true that there are different needs, thousands upon thousands of different needs and different individuals all over the world. Can we agree on that? I think we can. 50 people. Whoa. I'm getting energies, guys. Send me the energies and smash the like button. Holy smokes, I feel it. I feel it. What's good? Dab, make it rain. Dab Master, do the damn thing. Do the rain ceremony. Dab it up. EOS, long. ETH, short. I don't know, man. I don't know. Because like people look at ETH now as like the preceder to like alt season and stuff. You know, just like Bitcoin moves the market up, ETH is the second largest crypto, right? It holds weight. ETH doing bad shows a bad sentiment around alts. You know, will EOS do well? Yeah, I think so. Will it outperform Ethereum? It could. It could. You know, but I don't think like Ethereum dying is going to bode well for any altcoin. That's why I don't like, you know, I'm not trying to be like this project is bad, this project is good. It's all going to be needed. ETH is so big, I think it's even too big to fail at this point. If ETH goes down, all your damn altcoins are going down. I guarantee that. Why does it happen? I don't know. It just, Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. ETH goes down, you know, then it makes people think that like, okay, altcoins may be a scam. Holy shit. It reflects badly on the altcoins, even though it's not the altcoin. It represents a sentiment of altcoins. I'll rambling on. 46 people, what's good? For us newbies, what are OG sites and forums for crypto info, charts, etc. things? I mean, OG sites. I mean, a lot of this, man, like a lot of the OG sites aren't around, like Mt. Gox. That was like the biggest Bitcoin exchange for a while, and that imploded. Not around. They're still doing the settlements, I think, right? Or did they sell? I think the court ordered like selling. I don't know. Coinbase, I mean, that's like the most OG like sanctioned. I don't know. Like that's a pretty old exchange. How far you want to go? As far as like info, I mean, there's a lot of Reddit groups and stuff, but I just kind of like rely on like influencers I've come to trust. You know, I like the Market Sniper, Crypto Sniper, Reset Sniper dude, Francis Hunt. He's cool. I like Crypto Seeker Circle, Crypto Cito's real smart. I like them. Just naming some people, man. Like you just gotta find people who like you gel with them. Right? I reach people who don't get reached by CryptoLark. CryptoLark reaches people who don't get reached by me. You know, it's at the end of the day, it's like who explains stuff in a way that makes sense to you, and just use discernment. Like, are they trying to give me knowledge, or are they trying to sell me shit? It's the biggest one. 47 people. What's up? But yeah, like when it comes to like sites and info, and this is a new thing. It wasn't like Bitcoin was largely talked about at all. If anything, they were very small. You know, now we got these like bigger platforms and stuff. We never had this before. Like that's why I think new people don't really get. Like Bitcoin was more or less a wish and a prayer or a joke to people. It was for sure a wish or a prayer or a joke. There was only three kinds. of people. So like it just now started exploding and people just now start knowing about it. And it's kind of wild to me to think that we've gotten this far when I just had all my Bitcoin on a wallet and a CD in my closet for like 4 years. It's wild, man. So like, yeah, I just have like some influencers I watch. Other ones, I check out DaVinci J15. I check out DIY investing, token metrics. They're cool sometimes. I don't agree with everything they say about coins, but they're cool. I mean, look, like the way I pick influencers in crypto, like to follow, it's not necessarily if they're always right. It's if their rationale and how they explain things and why they think things make sense to me. Like, and it doesn't mean that I agree with them. It just means that I can respect their opinion and it makes sense to me. I like people who think in ways I don't because it fills in holes I have. I know I have holes, right? And you can only be aware of the ideas in your head. If you just talk to people just like you all the time and agree with you and you guys are patting each other on the back, well, that's not really preparing me, right? I want to know what I'm not thinking about. I want to know how my plan could go wrong. I want to know, is there a contingency plan? Is there something I didn't think of? I want all my bases covered. It's hard to do with just yourself, So, hey, it is what it is. 43 people, what's up? Maiden, made it. Morning from Tokyo. What's up? How you been? I got it better with my swaps. I got it better with my swaps? Not sure. Be humble. My bad. Jade bracelet, guys. I'm feeling zen. Not phased. Not phased one bit. Ate the sushi today. Nom nom. You guys like sushi? My mom made sushi like 2 weeks ago. It was good, Mom. It was good. But there's something about the sushi going to the restaurant, coming to your table, and you're like, like when you see your food for the first time and you're like falling with your eyes like, and then it goes to another table and you get mad. Like, God damn it. 44 people, I'm acting like a fool, drinking pink stuff, roses on my shirt. It's good. Hour 20, I like it. Yes, sir. Umbrella started on Ethereum blockchain, but switched to Binance Smart Chain because of current gas fees. When is Ethereum going to get their shit together? Makes me want to chew ice. Like, come on, guys. Like, damn. Like, Ethereum had it made in the shade. It had it all. Only freaking smart contract platform anyone wanted to be on. Look what's happening. Everyone's leaking all over the place now. They're going here. They're going there. Ethereum is... I said this. Like, everyone back in 2017, everything was an Ethereum killer. And then I was saying, like, the only thing that's going to kill Ethereum is Ethereum. Look what it's doing to itself now. When are we going to get that freaking gas thing figured out? It's been like 6 months. Yeah, I like Ethereum. It made me a lot of money, but when has it done for me lately? Am I hard ass? No, I think I'm just reasonable. 42 people, what's up? Vegas, best dispensary, Reef. Best restaurant, Hash House. Bring your own water. Lake Meds is damn near cashed out. That's good to know. Reef. Got to keep it in mind, man. And Hash House. There's a whole bunch of food up in here. Anything you want to eat is crazy. You guys ever had lobster mac and cheese? It's pretty good. It smells nasty, though. It smells nasty. I like it, but I hate it. Over there, one right on the strip, my Chinatown. Sora Ramen, best noodles in town. Thanks for the info. We're getting food tips now. Was it? Sora Ramen. She said, okay. She said, thanks. She loves ramen. When we were dating, we always ate ramen. Sawtell, you guys ever been there? Sawtell? It's in like the UCLA area. That's where we go. Used to go. It was tight. When do we get the Spark token drop? Yeah, I know. I think it was like end of Q2, but that's like damn near right now, right? And then they're gonna be like staggering it out over time, like 20%, then 20%, then 20%. It's annoying, but it does prevent like price drops. So that's interesting. But yeah, I want my freaking tokens. And I want them now. I found out that most EOS people love basketball and Spider-Man. Yeah, man, like, guys, like, EOS community isn't bad, man. Like, there's all these communities that are just misunderstood. Right? Like, they're nice people. They like basketball. They like Spider-Man. We're not that different. You bleed the same blood. We all like crypto. Damn. Everyone thinks we're nerds. Might as well pour up. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. I think EOS gets stuck in that group with XRP. XRP community is a little intense. I get it. They meet fire with fire. EOS, they're just, they're used to getting hated on. They're a little offensive at times, but they're nice. Then we got HBAR. HBAR, they don't put up with nothing. Nothing at all. And what's the other one? Bitcoin Cash. Oh, man. Damn. Ultra hate. They get the ultra hate, guys. 43 people. What's up? GM says it's open to accept Bitcoin for auto purchases. Really? GM. They were like, hey, Tesla, you suck. Everyone who comes to Bitcoin, come spend it over here. Whoever is the most open to change will win. Countries, corporations, citizens, anything. You adopt Bitcoin sooner than your neighbor, you get more money. GM accepts it sooner than Tesla, they get more money. China gets it. China, El Salvador, Mexico get it faster than the US, they get more money. Do you see a trend here? It's on an adoption curve. It's an adoption curve. When's the last time you heard a new technology come out and everyone said, nah, this thing makes our life easier and better and faster and it makes saving money, but nah, scratch it. Never. Good ideas don't go back in the bottle. They come out of the bottle. It's out. It's free, open source code that exists that everyone knows how to make now. You really think this is going away? No, we just talked about how one coin pays you more interest in one day than a JP Morgan savings account could save you in a year or make you in a year. Isn't that economically viable? Doesn't that incentivize people to participate in that ecosystem? Yes, it does. People will do what's best for them 100% of the time. That's economic theory. Why wouldn't they? Why wouldn't you make more money if you could? Hey, kids got to eat, right? At a certain point in time, it don't matter what you feel. It matters what it does. 40 people, what's up? Happy hump day. Hey. Just chilling. Roses on my shirt. Feeling like Rick Ross. Needing a haircut too. Look a little shaggy. Damn. When my hair gets long, guys, it just starts going wherever. Like when it's short, it's not good behavior, but when it gets long, it's like boom. My bed head gets all weird. It gets crazy, guys. I tried getting my girl to invest in BTC and other crypto back in 2017, but she didn't want to. Now she wants my money. Ha ha. Oh, she's not having it. You hear that? No? Okay. She's not having it, man. But ain't that a bitch? That's the way it goes, man. Look, sometimes my girl gets fries, and I'm like, nah, I don't want none. And then I want the fries. That's just the nature of relationships, man. Happens. No problem. Be humble. I think their project is really interesting, but it's such a small market cap. LOL, I'm drinking a rose wine as well. Good vibes. Martin doesn't give a damn about roses. He's drinking roses. Floral everything. Yeah, I'm feeling lucky today, guys. I'm feeling lucky. Feeling lucky. About to make $1 million. SHIB got listed on Coinbase Pro. Looking to launch SHIBA swap. Fans pushing for Robinhood listing. Damn, well, that'd be cool. I got a little SHIB. Man, but like, that sounds weird. I got a little SHIB. But yeah, that'd be wild. I mean, hey, whatever. Guys, like, screw the lack mindset though. Like, SHIB's popping off, but do you really think that SHIB's stealing our success and like ability to make money in other cryptos? No, I don't. I think SHIB is just getting people interested in crypto. I think Doge is getting people interested in crypto. We need them to be interested in crypto, whatever way it happens. They don't have to go the certain path we took. They don't have to go Bitcoin. They don't have to go HBAR. No, they're getting introduced into the new economy. And once that money's in the new economy, it happens to what? Diffuse into other areas of that economy. It leaks out eventually. So all the money in crypto tends to get diversified into other cryptos, right? So I'm looking at SHIB and Doge like, okay, well, give me your money. I'm serious. 41 people, what's up? Talked about that. Okay. Are you into any stocks? I bought some uranium stocks, dirt cheap. I like stocks. Well, I will like stocks after stocks revalue. I'm a value investor, man. I'm a cycles investor. I like things that are on the ground. Buy it, goes up, take profits, diversifying something that's on the ground. Stocks ain't on the ground, right? Like, and I think that crypto will outdo stocks' return, therefore outpacing inflation better than stocks. So like, yeah, I'm interested in stocks after my crypto has maximized and hopefully the stock's correct. Then I will be buying stocks on the floor, just like Warren Buffett did, just like the Rothschilds did, just like everyone who bought the blood in the Great Depression did. At some point, you know, something's got to happen, right? A reset has to happen. A stock crash has to happen. Interest rates rise, something. But, okay, all that aside, let's talk about like what kind of stocks and businesses I'm into. Well, it's future facing, like technologies that are going to grow in scope over the next year or years or value, right? Like Johnson & Johnson's always going to have value, you know. GM's always going to have value. Toyota's going to have value. Like these very, very old, trusted and true, big brand recognition name companies, you know, typically pay dividends, you know, so you can get like passive income coming off of that investment every single month or wherever they pay their dividends a year without like selling your equity. I like that. I'm tripping right now. Hold up. When it comes to like growth stocks, I'm looking at more like big data, cloud storage, AI, automation, 3D printing houses like companies, autonomous vehicles, augmented reality, virtual reality, like that kind of stuff, man. Like I'm really looking into freaking robots and shit, like autonomous robots. You guys ever heard of SoftBank? I like SoftBank, owners of Boston Dynamics. You guys haven't seen that? Check it out. Because what's cheaper? Like businesses like to do what's best for them, right? Like when you think about it, workers, you know, they're cool, but they cost money and they complain a lot, you know, and like sometimes they quit and sometimes, you know, you have issues and this and that. Like when you really think of it, not from a humanitarian standpoint, but from a cold, hard, calculated business making money standpoint, you don't think these big corporations are going to fill their warehouses with robots eventually? Yeah, they are. So like it's not that that's right or that's wrong. Businesses will do what businesses will do, especially if they don't have to pay people wages moving forward. So I see a huge demand, and not even just like corporate use of robots, but also like, I guess you'd say domestic in the home, right? So there goes any kind of like human capital that was cleaning houses. You're just gonna see swaths of industries getting knocked out over time by this implementation of autonomous automation. But hey, 39 people, this is a crypto channel, but just telling you guys like what I think, right? Like my view on crypto ties in with my view on what's going to perform in the stock market going on into the future. They let me quiet past the prime. Not sure, man, not sure. Voodoo Lounge, top floor of the Rio Casino. You won't regret the view. Hey, Rio's all colorful and shit. Pretty. Be humble. Facts. Okay, he agrees. On Sunday, you mentioned something about the math behind owning 168 tokens of Cosmos in the Millionaire Club. Could you explain that again? Yeah. So basically, like, there's something called the 1 million club, right? It means that of a blockchain, there's a certain max cap. Well, some don't, right? But like, if we're talking about a max cap crypto, if you divide that max cap by 1 million, it's going to give you a number. That number is what you have to be considered in the 1 million club. That means that you own 1 millionth of the blockchain's, I guess, supply. Okay, that's historically a pretty significant amount of a chain to own. Because if you did that with Bitcoin back when it was cheaper, if you got 21 Bitcoin at one point, now that would cost you that is worth about $800,000, right? Like, it's just a significant portion of a chain to own. And people have tracked the 1 million club in Bitcoin. Like, it was like, okay, 1 Bitcoin, like that's a lot. 10 Bitcoin, that's a lot. 21 Bitcoin, okay, now that's a pretty prestigious elite level where not a lot of people in the world have. And actually, out of 8 billion people now, only 1 million people can ever have 21 Bitcoin. So that number, I think 168 or 170 something that I gave out about Cosmos, the same concept applied to just the Cosmos blockchain. If Cosmos blows up, only 1 million people in the entire world. What is that? I'm going to do that. I'm going to tell you the percent. Let's just say 8 billion just for like a nice round number. That's 0.0125% of the whole population of the Earth could ever have 168 or whatever 1 millionth of Cosmos supply is. So when you put it like that, all you really need is you're pretty much guaranteeing a significant part of a chain. You're just waiting for the traction to come. Because the only reason you're getting it so cheap is because you're so early, right? If you wait for the traction to come, the price of Cosmos will be much higher than it is now. And obtaining a 1 millionth of that supply is going to cost you multiples more than what it is. That's what I like to do with coins on the ground. They might not all show out for me, but if I'm getting 1 millionth of every freaking blockchain I'm investing in because it's so freaking low, one's got to work just by probability, right? I don't know. I'm weirdo. What do you guys think? 36 people. What's up? Hour 38 in. I like it. Ethereum can go to 20K this year. Easy. Its tokens are now being integrated with and in support of alternate coins. For example, RAN, GRT, Link, AMP, Engine, UMA, SNX, Zcash. It's unstoppable. Yeah, especially because they're going to be, I think, is it be deflationary or is it cap supply? EIP 1 something, I forget. People like throw it around. I can't remember it. I don't know why. But yeah, I mean, that was my one sticking point with Ethereum. It was inflationary supply, but now it's like a moot point, especially if that proposal goes through. So yeah, 20K ETH. Hell, we already got the 4K. That's only like a 5 times more. We haven't gotten to the blow off, in my opinion, not financial advice. So hey, don't go outside. No, I'm not going outside. What the hell? How hot is it right now? I was standing by the window. I just felt it. I was like, holy shit. Close the blinds, babe. Jeez. Yo, what's up? Good to be here. Thanks for your input. I appreciate you. Thanks for stopping by. Diversification is key. There's a key. That's Chris, guy from the internet. We chilling. I'm eating some spaghetti and meatballs right now. Nom nom, bro. Al dente? Angel hair? All wheat? What do you do? You made it yourself? That's a man of many talents. What the? I almost choked up a piece of ice. I'm starting to feel bad about Litecoin, man. What do you think? At least Bitcoin Cash is accepted at more physical locations than other cryptocurrencies, and has Kim.com implementing it with K.IM. Nah, I'm not mad about it. I mean, look, doesn't PayPal offer Litecoin or accept Litecoin? Like, Litecoin is going to be okay. Litecoin has always kind of maintained its motto to silver to Bitcoin's gold. PayPal uses it on every major exchange. It's taken a while to break above, but to be honest, man, like South Korea loves Litecoin. They do. Remember that? South Korea, I think they sent Litecoin from $2, $3 to $90. It's been largely boring this cycle. So it's probably like missed a lot of eyes and stuff, but I still hold my Litecoin, dude. Like I still got a feeling about it, but I also hold my Bitcoin Cash. And I've talked about it before. Like I can see a future where Bitcoin Cash excels, and I can see a future where Litecoin excels. If everyone in the world like wants a layer one solution, obviously that's Bitcoin Cash's whole forte. They're gonna win. But if everyone goes into the whole narrative of layers, Litecoin's gonna win, right? Integration to Lightning Network, all that stuff, yeah. And because there's gonna be atomic swaps with Litecoin. I'm pretty sure Bitcoin Cash, well, no. You guys didn't do SegWit, right? No. But like, yeah, atomic swaps and all that, at some point, once that gets going, like Bitcoin can be directly converted to Litecoin somehow, like in a weird way. It's synonymous with Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin, right? Like, so I'm going to hold on to it because I don't know which way it's going to go. I like Bitcoin Cash. I like Litecoin. I got a lot of both of them. You know, it's all good. 37 people, what's up? Boulevard Pool is the best pool Cosmos or the marquee for a wild time. Use your comps, track your play. Cosmos, yeah. I used to stay at Cosmos in college. It was tight. I'll get that Fat Tuesdays a lot. Run around like an idiot. All kinds of drunk. Hobbit. She said, yes. Hey, I met her when I was drunk. It worked. Know what I'm doing, guys. Calm down. And I wasn't wearing a rose shirt. Jeez, 36 people. What's up? He put us on Zoo way back. Yeah. Zoo is like kind of collapsing the ratio. Like I was switching out my Zoo when I was getting 6 WASP. Now that ratio is collapsed to like either 3 or 2. So, you know, I mean, hey, look, hyped up coin. Just notice how this goes, guys. New coin pops on the scene. Everyone loves it. They start throwing their other coins that aren't performing into it because they see it going up while it's at its all-time high, right? Then it deflates. Like that's the thing, guys. Like when a coin first pops on the scene, it's usually at its most top hype point, right? Because they're doing like tweets about it, Medium articles, all that stuff. People are largely anticipating it, getting that quick momentum play up. But then that momentum play happens, starts leveling out. We've seen it on Uni. I will show you guys. Seen it on Uni. We've seen it on Cake. Everything typically pops up, then comes down for like return to reality accumulation. And it takes a while to shoot up again. That happened on WASP. WASP went to like, 4 cents, then came down to 0.08, then ran up to 40. Now it's sitting down near 10 for a while. Like these things don't go like this, right? Not 30-year equities, it goes like this. Accumulation zones, undervalue, overvalue, circulating between undervalue and overvalue. So if you could like master your emotions a little bit and do the opposite of what your feelings are saying, you'll be on the right side of the trade. And when you're on the right side of the trade, guys, it feels like money. It feels like manna from heaven. What the? And when you're on the wrong side of the trade, it feels like shit. 35 people. What's up? Man, you got all up in Ether tokens, bro. Man, you not all up in eco tokens, bro. What? You talking to me? I don't know. I got Ether tokens, man. What you talking about? Yo, have you seen Planet of Humans? Michael Moore, new energy doc, crazy. No, I have not, man. Is that Netflix or something? Or is it on YouTube? Or do I gotta go to a weird Russian site to get it? Have you ever checked out Vidit? VIDT? They have some very large customers like Airbus and Amspec. They use the DGB blockchain to build their token. No, I haven't heard of that, man. They're using Airbus? Isn't that like a Boeing model? No, maybe not. I'm tripping. I haven't heard of it, man. That's interesting. Digibyte has some good products, man. Good products. You guys should be pushing Anthem ID hard as hell. That's the thing, man. That's the thing that's gonna make it break into the mainstream consciousness. Anthem ID. Continue to make it better, more user friendly. It's gonna be good. Faith Pickle. How do you check your coin correlation? Yeah, that's the hard thing, man. Like, I know Coinbase has somewhat correlations on their coins, like some of them. Do you guys know a good Coinbase? Like, that's a good one. Do you guys know a good coin correlation site? I don't. I got to be real about that. But I know Coinbase shows some. I just noticed that, like, certain pairs, I watch the chart so much. I know certain pairs run together, like WAN, ICON, EOS, BCH, Bitcoin, all the Bitcoin forks, you know? But yeah, as far as percentage, like, this is why this is still an evolving ecosystem, right? Like, you know that there's things and services that you can utilize in the traditional markets that offer you utility that helps you manage your portfolio better. They're not necessarily existing, all of them right now in crypto. Just like I didn't have a wallet in 2013, which is very needed, right? Yeah, it was challenging. Now we got a wallet, right? We didn't really have that many exchanges. Now we got exchanges. We didn't have like a way to get money, like a card to spend your crypto at a physical location. Now we got that. All used to have to be done through gift cards, online gift cards and stuff. So as the cycles mature, more and more things occur. More and more crypto entrepreneurs make dealing with crypto more and more pleasant, more and more run-of-the-mill. Haven't seen that. I would love to have one. Maybe somebody got to build. That'd be tight. Yeah. 34 people. What's up? They dropping like flies. What's going on? Pickles are the second worst use of a pickle. If Ethereum overtakes Bitcoin, even once or at all, it will just take off like some kind of missile, LOL. Yeah. Overtakes Bitcoin in price or market cap? Because I hear people saying, oh, Ethereum overtook Bitcoin in market cap. And I'm like, okay, so? Like, like the supply is more. Right? Am I tripping? I don't know. I just don't think that's like that significant. I would think it's significant when the price of a Ether overtook a Bitcoin. But like that just tells me that the money is rotating into, like, people call Ethereum like the digital oil. Like, you use it. You need gas to operate certain like things and its network and whatever. That just shows me that the consciousness of people is growth focused, like they're aggressive growth. Bitcoin is like conservative growth, but still aggressive compared to traditional assets. Ethereum is aggressive in compared to Bitcoin growth. That's just telling me people like think the bull run's happening. I don't know. 33 people. Whoa. It's Illuminati time. Stomach scrambling. That's weird. Imagine Michael Saylor being like, hey, we need to convert 50% of our holdings to Ether. I don't know, man. These rich guys be slanging around all kinds of tweets. Elon announces that he bought 5 billion ETH. Good. The hell was that? Crypto sheds a lot of light on conspiracy theories. But like that's the thing, Lane. Like, hey, everyone who's early up in crypto were with conspiracy theorists. whatever, right? Like traditionally speaking, they knew about the Fed. They thought, some shades going on. Back in 2013, 2010, that was like, people didn't listen to you at all about that. You were like a jokester. So a lot of the people in crypto who have a lot of money, who do you think was in this early? So new people are coming in and like, oh, conspiracy and this and that. It's like, welcome. You guys should know what you're getting into. The price of Safe Moon is a fun number. Safe Moon. I'm gonna steer clear, but you guys hope you guys make a meal with it. What's that shirt, player? It's roses, man. What? I know y'all seen Rick Ross with rose shirts. I don't want to hear it. Introduce Miss Duh. She said, nah, another time. We'll make an event. How are your zoo earnings? They're cool. I'm just switching everything to Wasp though. I believe Wasp is like integral to the WAN chain ecosystem, because you can't have WAN chain be successful without the DEX that converts WAN assets, right? Like WAN EOS to WAN BTC. Like if that goes away, WAN chain inherently doesn't function. So I'm trying to place all my capital in the heart of it, the mechanism that makes it all work. That's what my game plan is. Zoo is cool, but I'm using it as rewards to transition into Wasp. But Zoo's all right. I'm low key like waiting for Zoo to hit like stupid low numbers. Then it'll make sense for me to jump into it, because then I can get into that, like every 2 days I mint an NFT that can boost my rewards and get me more money. Right now I don't want to pay the money it takes to do it right now. But if it drops even farther and people capitulate and they drop it, I find a reason to pick it up. But if it doesn't happen, I ain't gonna worry about it. Room token, boys. Room token. Irrelevant boob. You can't be saying that. My wife's over there, man. What the heck? Boob token. Okay, so relevant. You got MILF token. You got cum rocket. You got sperm token. You got boob token. What's going on, man? It's crazy though that like all these coins are coming out, guys. Like, look, once people start making money, people start throwing money around, all these scams come out of the woodwork. Yeah, I'm telling you, hey, this is the new thing. We're going to tokenize every celebrity MILF. Let's be real. Like, there's a good project in crypto, but there's also like, nasty stuff. Like the stream. I like it. XRP, baby. What's up? How do we feel about AMP here? It's doing well, right? It's going up. We saw it the last stream I did about 3 days ago or something like that. Hey, Sean. What's up, Sean? I didn't even see that. How you been, man? XRP. How you been? Chilling. I'm just in Vegas living my best life in a floral shirt. What? Hey, Sean. Talked about it. It's the one. Like, I mean, if I had to consolidate my portfolio, that would probably be highly considered. But diversification is key. Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, guys, like, look, like whatever I say, it's just my thoughts. Like, you guys are allowed to have your favorite cryptos. That's chill. Like, that's cool. If a use case really vibes with you, that's what matters. I'm just a resource, but that's what matters, because at the end of the day, if you misplay this, you're the one that has to hold it. And I hold my bags for like 3 years. A lot of them. I would have sold them if I didn't like them. That's the real deal. Like, right? Like, you should always like make decisions based off of like, what if I misplayed this bull run and I actually am wrecked and sitting on my bags? Because guaranteed, you guys, people get wrecked every single cycle. Every cycle. So if you happen to be one of those people, could you hold through a bear market? You probably sell a shit coin, right? Or a coin that you didn't really understand or didn't click with you. You would hold one that you understand and like, no, there's no way this can't be valuable in the future. That's what it takes to get through 3 years. Just going to be real. Like, I hear a lot of people saying like, well, I'm going to just hold through the bear market. It's like, that's easy to say. It's easy to say when you know that you had a lot of money and it went through your fingers and you're bitter and you're mad and you're depressed. It takes understanding. It takes like seeing the value, the vision, and the asset to get through those dark times, man. It's mental. It gets hard at a point, you know? The first year you can get through it okay. The second year you can get through it okay. The third year, I guarantee you start questioning what you did. I'm too diversified. That's the thing too. Spread too thin? I get it. Yeah, I was thinking that, and after doing some research, it's hard to let those go. They feel too valuable. LTC is a big name. Bitcoin Cash is a big name, and it's redeemable by gold. Like, there's some coins that I'm like, it's such a blue chip name. Like, I want to sell it, but I'm not. And I don't, right? Because y'all have done it before, right? You let go of a coin and you're like, this is a piece of coin. Like, get out of here. You sell it, and then it blows up. Doge for me. I bought Doge in 2020. I would have a lot of money right now. I strayed from the plan. Got bored. Bro, you would love Jigstack. Yeah, Jigstack looks cool. Jigstack looks cool. We looked it up in my stream like a month ago or something. It's like an HBAR project, right? Or a launch pad or something like that. Yeah, Jigstack sounds cool. AMP is making me feel it. FOMO? Feeling that FOMO? Hey. It is what it is, player. I think Dub is an alien from a futuristic planet in which Kalium galaxy trying to make us all rich AF. Yeah, how'd you know, dude? The Kalium galaxy is a piece of shit, man. I gotta get out of there. I'm more of a Malibu guy. I'm just a dude, a cool dude. You are God. I'm not God, man. No, don't say that. He's gonna strike me down, bro. Lightnings and shit. Floods. Look, I go to Vegas. It's 115. Melt me and shit, man. Oh, I ain't gonna do that. I ain't gonna say all that. What are you sipping on, Dubs? Like some shit. Like, I don't know. Like, what is this? It's like coconut something with like, you know, whatever. It was cold. It's hot out here, man. You guys are judging me, huh? My shirt. I like the shirt. It's just like, you know, I'm chilling. I'm on vacation. Floor shirts. Why am I whispering? 34 people, what's up? AMP makes the Lightning Network unnecessary. Just that alone makes it priceless, I suppose. It can be used to transfer a value, though. It's really quite innovative. Yeah, you know, I mean, hey, look, Lightning Network is largely not necessary. Right? There didn't have to be a Bitcoin Cash fork. That was unnecessary. Like, shit happens, you know. I guarantee you, though, that so much work and stuff has been done in Lightning. They're gonna do something with that shit, man. You know, they're gonna do it, but like, there's gonna be alternatives to it as well. That's why I talk about a multi-blockchain future, multi-blockchain economy. You're gonna have choices. You can do it this way. You can do it that way. Some countries do it this way. Whatever. Some people only accept peer-to-peer. It's gonna be wild. The cool thing is that it's gonna be interoperable and flow like water. So choices can occur. Physical, not just digital. Let's get physical. Know that song? I'm an Office fan, guys. Check out Nomics.com to get accurate data on top 10 coins. Okay. You don't like Coinbit market cap? It's just like a coin stat thing? Yep. Is Hex really legit, though? It would appear so, but I was told by Coin Codex that they had too small of a trading volume to be verified. If it's legit, that coin is being depressed. I'm surprised at Hex, man. Like, I saw Hex in 2020. I got on the platform and stuff. I didn't keep up with it, but it's going wild. It could be fake, but like, I don't know. Maybe. How can we tell that? How can we tell? Cosmos is the future gravity bridge to Ethereum. I like any bridge that allows me to get like cross-chain decentralized. I don't care what it is. Icon does it. I like Icon. Wanchen does it. I like Wanchen. Cosmos does it. I like that. Whatever. Like literally whatever. I just want to be in the interoperability play because money flowing back and forth. There's so much money that needs to go back and forth. Anything that lets it do that is going to be valuable. Just trust. No, don't trust. Not financial advice. But you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Hash House, go. Ray Love, what's up? Okay, that's the second Hash House request. Bacon and waffles. I love it. I used to go to Roscoe's a lot in LA area in Pico. They be selling shirts outside and shit. It's good though. I like it. Santa Claus in the front. Guys ever been to Roscoe chicken and waffles? It's pretty good. The waffles are hot. They're dope. Chicken's cool. But waffles are the bomb. Okay, Gravity Dex launches July 6th. Cool. You could trade on Binance with SafePal wallet app without setting up a Binance account or using a VPN, FYI. Huh, really? That's cool. Definitely. And I think also like CoinSwitch and some other like swapping sites, they swap from Binance and then you don't need an account. So like you're technically not violating, I don't think, if you're a US citizen. Maybe you are. I don't know. I don't freaking know, man. It's not like the government is so like forthcoming with this stuff anyway. Like you got to like search for it and there's no like real answers. Bitcoin Satoshi version or vision. It's vision or do you know that? I made a living off making recommendations in hospitality. Now learning how to make recommendations off purchasing and selling securities. You're teaching me, man. Blockchain recommendations soon. Yeah, that's cool, man. Do it, man. Do what you got to do. I was just a nerd on the internet looking at crypto channels for like 3-4 years. And then like now I'm a crypto channel. So it's funny how life has full circle. But yeah, you guys think that this knowledge you're learning, this is just for fun? Like you think this is just not going to be useful in the future? No, you know, not like 100% more than most people in the whole world about blockchain. Companies are going to try to come to the fold in this 4 years later, like not knowing nothing, no history, not how this market works, nothing. And you're going to know. Keep learning. It's going to be valuable one day, trust. We got to talk. Let's do it, man. Twitter, follow me on Twitter. Hit me in what do you call it? Hit me in DM. And then also I got Telegram. It's my same Twitter handle. So DubDigital 2 U's. The new thing is crowdfunding also. Yeah, decentralized, what do you call it? Decentralized raising of funds. Like I know Bitcoin Cash has, I forgot what it's called, but they have a decentralized GoFundMe page. Like pretty much it acts like that. There's a few of them on other blockchains as well. And then we're seeing like centralized finance apps, collateralized loans, like asset-backed loans, decentralized crowdfunding is the new future. No longer do you have to only just go to a bank in a suit that you hate with a tie that's too small to lay out a business plan for some banker who knows what like experience he has to judge your business plan or judge your credit worthiness or your ability to pay. Like, what kind of model is that? Some bullshit. So you're telling me some dude in a building I ain't never met is going to tell me if I can buy a house or like I can go do like a business plan, like execute my business plan. No, we're getting a bunch of little capital filling the same need. I love it. Why do we need to go to these centralized solutions? As the years go on, more and more, I don't understand that. I get loans through Bitcoin. I get yield from supplying Bitcoin to protocols. I got a debit card for Bitcoin now. I'm getting rewarded twice what I get on my credit card. It's crazy. Like as time goes on, why do I need a bank account again? That's the point, guys. That's the digital revolution. 29 people, what's up? Crypto is a type of more decentralized crowdfunding depending on the project. Yep. You could be my robot dealer, Dubster. Hey, I like it. Hey, robots are coming, man. Robots are coming. You guys haven't looked at autonomous robots? It's crazy. I used to work at Northrop Grumman. That's 2017. They had autonomous shit. I think it's public knowledge. Maybe. Should I say it? They had shit that flew around and shot stuff by itself in the air and in the water. I think people know that already. Okay. How do you feel about Dash compared to Bitcoin Cash? Dash is releasing the Dash platform end of 2021. I don't think they're even direct competitors. You know, Bitcoin Cash is like payments. Dash is now like pivoting from privacy to like decentralized cloud storage or something like that. Like its main claim to fame is privacy and stuff. Dash is a good coin. Don't get me wrong. But I don't really see them as a comparison. If you're looking to make a purchase in those coins, like you really have to decide, what do I want? Peer-to-peer digital money or like privacy and or AKA whatever Dash is doing now, like decentralized cloud storage and all that. They're different niches, you know? I mean, end of the day, I think Bitcoin Cash is redeemable for gold and a bigger altcoin, but like maybe you know something about cloud computing that we don't know. Maybe that's a better play. See, that it all comes down to like your experience as well, like your life experiences, what you know. We all got the same knowledge. We don't have the same life experiences. Let me know. Is Dash a better play? I mean, as far as I know, though, like if you're looking for an acceptable crypto at more places, more exchanges, Bitcoin Cash is on more exchanges than Dash is. Although Dash is a huge coin, man. It's not like a small coin either. 29 people, what's up? Dash doesn't get love. I don't know why. True OG and Amanda B. Johnson is hot. Hey, sometimes that's all it takes. Let's see. Airbus is its own company like Boeing, but European. Okay, yeah, my bad, dude. Sometimes like Boeing names like their planes different stuff, and I don't know. I used to like do like purchasing for like fleet stuff, like aircraft. Merrill Lynch is mad strict. I gotta be care on what I type. Will hit you up on Twitter. Just made one. Dope, man. Work for Merrill Lynch? That's sick, man. Recommendations, I get you now. I drove innovators for NXT VR for many years. They funded by SoftBank. Funded by SoftBank. SoftBank, man. Guys, like, automation is coming. You guys heard about 3D printing houses? I like all that stuff. I'm like very future focused on it. Like anything that utilizes technology to make life easier, better, takes out cost is going to be bullish for me. 3D printed houses, I think that's the next hot thing too. VR, I think it's all going to come in a wave, right? And that's the reason why I think we're switching to a digital economy, because the economy is going to be physically increasingly digital, meaning like, how do you pay a robot? What about a robot for rent? You ever think of that? How would you pay the robot? Crypto. They don't take no dollars. And what's it going to do with dollars? You pay the crypto. The robot has a wallet connected to the owner's wallet. Bang. Directly, like without a third party involved, straight to the wallet. You know, now you're to the robot for a month, whatever. Like, there's going to be people who own the robots, and I think people who rent the robots. That's the way it's going to go. It's too out there? I don't think so. You know, there's industries building huge industries just based off that. You know, automated driving. It's all coming, man. It's all coming. 29 people, what's up? Nah, I like the shirt. What's the brand? LOL. Damn. I don't even know what is this shit. I don't know. I feel like Rick Ross, man. Huh. Is that good? Sound like Rick Ross? Huh. No. I'm working on it. I don't know the brand. You know the brand? They heard that. It's from Ross. DubDigital. Been a minute. Hope all's well. Yeah, Nick T, how you been, man? It's all good. It's all love. Holding any Theta and T-Fuel, 13 days until mainnet 3.0. Nah, man. I'm not. They got away from me, just like SNX got away from me, just like Elron got away from me, just like a whole bunch of shit. Damn. It's okay though. Be humble, say ha 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 ha. Funny shit. I've been watching so many crypto and stonk videos. I almost started saying not financial advice when I'm talking to my friends and fam. You should. You should. Hey, I'm gonna tell you guys what. You're trying to get your friends and fans in crypto. Hey, when it crashes and they look, you fought to get them in. You finally got them in. It's gonna go up. You're gonna tell them to sell. They're not gonna sell. They're gonna get wrecked. And guess who they're gonna come back and look at? You. Even though it's wrong. Even though it's like, they need to take accountability, they're going to come back at you. So like, I'm always very upfront with people of what they should expect in crypto. Like, hey, this is a long-term game. It goes up a lot, down a lot, very volatile. Like, as long as you understand what you're getting into and not investing a shitload that you need like soon, there you go. I phrase it in that way. So it's like, hey, bro, you know what you're getting into because it's real, man. When people lose their money, you know how it gets. You know how it gets. You're right about gaining capital from crypto crowdfunding is better than the traditional way. A lot less bias when you are asking for backing. Data already shows positive for women and minorities. Hey guys, like, there's a gatekeeper. There's a gatekeeper in the traditional banking system, and I'm not saying it's inherently biased. I'm just saying that bias exists everywhere and in certain people. You can't tell me that every gatekeeper is exactly fair for everyone 100% across the board. No one is. You have bias. I have bias. He has bias. We all would be delusional to say none of us have bias. We all do. It's just inherent in how humans think to help us prepare ourselves for the world. We generalize in a certain way. And that probably has unintended consequences when it comes to gaining capital. So like, yeah, like anytime we can get decentralized funding, it's going to be better. More people making that determination probably removes the bad apples and like the outliers where it's like they're being outwardly biased against someone just because of something that doesn't really pertain to them, their ability to repay the loan. Know what I'm saying? Long-winded, I know. 24 people, what's up? I checked in the CEOs 2 years ago. I have a bunch of business cards like this, just now learning what to do with this info. Show. That's my AI play. There you go. Have you been following the rumors around Hedera lately with Jordan Fried? I think it's Fried. Saying this will be a big week. No. I haven't. Well, what's the rumor? What's the rumor? I gotta know. Okay, guys. Well, it's been about 2 hours. I like it. I think I'm gonna take off right now, but it's been fun, guys. Hope you appreciate this crypto and coffee. Damn, there I go again. Crypto kickback. We do this every Wednesday, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I also do crypto and coffee on Sundays, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And it's just kind of like this. It's just a different kind of thing. Maybe it's like more podcasty, because I don't have my screen up. We're not looking at things, but whatever. We gotta work with what we got. But I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna get back in the video groove. I know it took about a month, get my shit back together. I've been doing this for like a year straight, and we're gonna see where we go. The rest of the bull run. Again, like guys, bull runs happen in phases. It's not all up. Nothing really is. So taking a breather. Something tells me crypto wasn't done, but that's not financial advice, guys. I'm just a dude on the internet. But until next time, see you guys later.